Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an empties video. I actually don't have that much, but I have a lot. So let's get into this empties. To make this video go a little quickly, I'm just going to tell you my thoughts about the product and if I would repurchase it or not. If you have any questions about anything, ask me in the comments down below. All the products will be listed in the description box that I mentioned. Okay, let's get into the products. First is this Patchology Milk Peel. I really enjoyed this mask. I remember that it really hydrated my face. This has lactic acid, fruit enzymes, coconut, and soy milk, so very, very hydrating. I really liked it. It was very refreshing. I would definitely buy this again. Next is another Patchology mask. I'm gonna have a lot of Patchology masks because one of the masks that I got I did not like, and I talked about it, how I didn't like it on Instagram, and they sent me a bunch of masks. So this one and the first one that I just mentioned were ones that they sent me. The second one is this firming mask, and this has peptides and soy protein. So this mask was really weird because it went on your face and on your neck, and it was just to firm your skin. I didn't really notice anything. It was just a really fun mask to do. I don't think I would do this again. I wouldn't buy this because I don't really need to firm my skin. But like I said, it was just fun to do because it had that neck thing, and I did this when it was warmer, so I had it in the fridge, and it felt really, really nice on the skin. The next Patchology mask is their Smart Mud Detox Mask. This mask had rare mineral rich volcanic ash, and I did not like this. It came with this. This was like the actual mask, and it was like a very, it's like a cloth, and it was very uncomfortable. It really broke out my skin. I really did not like it, and I would not repurchase this at all. It was horrible. The next and I think last Patchology product are these Clean AF On The Go Refreshing Facial Cleansing Wipes. These were okay. I didn't love them and I didn't hate them. They were baby wipes basically. I just, my face didn't feel any different after using them, and I didn't see any difference in my skin. I don't know, I probably wouldn't repurchase them because I feel like they are a little pricey. Next up, I have a bunch of sheet masks from Victoria's Secret. So first is the Seize the Day Rejuvenating Sheet Mask with Sea Minerals. I really enjoyed this mask. My face just felt refreshed and very hydrated and soft. I think that these masks are really good. I know some people don't like them, but I really enjoy them. So obviously I would repurchase because I have a bunch more. Next up is the Glow Down Soothing Sheet Mask. I'm sorry it's so dirty looking. They've just been sitting here for a while, but I really did enjoy this. It was very soothing on the skin. My skin felt amazing. Again, would definitely repurchase this. Next up is the Selfie Skin Coconut Oil Nourishing Sheet Mask. I really enjoyed this one. I love coconut oil. I know some people don't love it because it breaks them out. It doesn't really bother my skin, but it really helped hydrate my skin because my skin has been so dry lately, and painfully dry, where it's just really tight and uncomfortable. So this really helped just loosen that up and just really add that moisture to my skin. I really did enjoy this, and I think I might order more from their website because it was really, really nice. The last pink sheet mask that I have is the Let's Pre-Glam Perfecting Sheet Mask with Hyaluronic Acid. Again, I really like this mask. My skin felt amazing. It felt really hydrated and just smooth. And these masks, my skin feels amazing for days. It's not just a couple, a day or two. It's 4 or 5 days, almost a whole week. My skin feels so amazing from these masks. I highly recommend them. They always have a 5 for 5 deal or something. Definitely go pick them up and try them. I mean, if it's $5, what do you have to lose? But highly recommend them because my skin always just feels so nice after using them. The next mask is this Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. So this I really liked. I thought it was really fun. I got this in my FabFitFun box. I did a whole little video of me using it on my Instagram. I'll link that down below if you guys want to watch it. But I don't know, I just feel like it didn't have very long-lasting effects for being Glam Glow. I feel like my skin just felt good for about 24 hours, and then that was it. I didn't really feel like it detoxed that much either because it says it's a detoxing mask or deep cleansing mask. Like I said, my skin felt very cleansed, but it didn't last. But I would definitely try it again because they're fun. And I have another Patchology mask, which is the Flash Patch Restoring Night Eye Gels. I didn't really notice anything with these. I don't really notice any difference with eye patches, to be completely honest. They felt nice. It was refreshing to do underneath the eye, but I wouldn't repurchase these because I don't notice any difference when I do eye gels. I don't know what it is with them, but yeah, I just don't see any difference. Next up is this Milk Moisturizing Mask from Lala Fox. I got this in a Walmart beauty box and I really enjoyed this one. I remember using this, I think like a couple months ago, maybe like September when it was really, really hot, and I stuck it in the fridge. And I feel like my face was still a little red and burned from the summer and just going to the beach. And my skin felt amazing after doing this. It felt so, so good, so hydrated, so like calmed, and just amazing. And the fact that it was from Walmart just made it even better. The next mask is a My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch from SoAE. This mask has a super berry complex and you leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. I did not notice any difference with this mask. Again, like eye gels, I don't notice any difference with lip masks. I talked about this in my Yes Oh Yes unboxing, the December and January one, because we got one from Masquerade, a lip mask, and I just don't notice any difference. It's the weirdest thing. I don't know. But they're just always fun to try, but I don't think I would repurchase this. Next up, I have this Blackhead Eliminating Nose Strip from Patchology. This didn't really work either. I don't really need to use nose strips that much, but sometimes the pores in my nose do get really clogged and I will use them. But I followed all the directions and I just feel like it didn't work. I feel like the ones from Biore, is that the brand that does them? Yes, Biore work so much better because like you can feel them like getting sucked out of your face. Like this, I felt nothing. So again, would not repurchase. Next up, we have this Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day and Night Mask. This I also got in my Walmart beauty box and I really enjoyed this. This I have to repurchase because my skin has been so dry, like I was saying before. It helped my skin so, so much. It's like a little miracle thing, and well, this isn't just in like a sample size, but in a jar, it was amazing. I highly recommend this if you have dry skin. The next Garnier product is this Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treatment 1 minute hair mask with papaya extract. I feel like I've talked about these a million times because I keep getting samples in my Walmart beauty box and from Pinch Me. I really do enjoy these. I've actually already repurchased the full size in these, so I obviously really do like them. Next up, I have this foundation sample from BH Cosmetics. It's their BH Liquid Foundation in Naturally Flawless, and I am in the shade 212 Light Olive. If you guys saw my January favorites video, you would know that I really enjoyed this, and I actually bought the full size. Next up, we have the St. Ives Acne Control Apricot Scrub. I really enjoyed this face scrub. I like the St. Ives ones. I think they're really, really nice. Was it acne control? I don't think so. I didn't really notice if it was acne control, but it is a really good scrub. I feel like it really does do the job, and it's not like in my last empties video where I got the Beauty 360 and it was like rubbing sand on my face. This one was really good. Next is the Aussie Headstrong Volume Hairspray with a maximum hold. I really enjoyed this hairspray. This hairspray is my favorite. I literally repurchase it all the time, and it just really stinks because I can only find it at Walmart. So if anyone knows anywhere else that sells Aussie, please let me know in the comments down below. It's not a big deal that it's just at Walmart, but I'm just curious, is Aussie sold anywhere else anymore? Because I feel like it used to be sold everywhere, and now I just see it at Walmart. Next, we have the Neutrogena Oil Acne Face Wash Pink Grapefruit Facial Cleanser. As you can tell, I literally use like everything up in here. Neutrogena actually sent this to me, and I did a little video on Instagram again with this product, but I really enjoyed this. This is a cleanser that I repurchase all the time. It's one of my favorites, and I definitely would recommend this if you have just any kind of like pimples on your face, even if you don't have like really bad acne, but you have that occasional like pimple or just annoying. This helps keep them away. Another cleanser that I used up is this Clean and Clear Essentials Foaming Facial Cleanser. This was okay. I feel like I just bought this because my dad was rushing me and he kept saying I could just use soap and water to clean my face, which he obviously doesn't understand. I didn't love it, I didn't hate it, but if it was like the only thing in the store, then yeah, I would purchase it. Next up is this Raw Chemistry Revival Moisturizer. This product was sent to me a really long time ago, and I finally used it up just because I was getting so many other moisturizers from like Walmart, Beauty Box, and my FabFitFun and just I would buy them. I don't know why, because I'm dumb, but I literally used up like every single little bit of this. I really enjoy this. Like I said, this was sent to me and I have a review of it on my channel. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out and purchase it. The next product is this L'Oreal Sublime Bronze Hydrating Self Tanning Milk in medium. I really enjoy this product. I got it from Influencer. I think it did a really nice job with the tanning. The one thing is it would stay in your hands like crazy, so you really had to scrub the palms of your hands once you were done. And then when you would do that, like your hand would be white and then this part of your arm would be tan, but it was whatever, it was fine. But I really did enjoy this. I think it did a nice job and I think I might repurchase this for the summertime. Next up, I have my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I really liked this. The smell though was very strong, so I did not repurchase this one. I repurchased the cucumber one instead. This one is just, the smell is too much for me. Next, I have my NYX Photo Loving Primer in Anti-Redness. If you've been with my channel for a while, you know that I really like this. I literally have, I think, like 2 other tubes of this in my drawer right now. It's a really good primer. I really think it helps really cancel out that redness because I have very red cheeks and a very red nose, and I really like this primer. It's really, really nice. Next up is this Skin Fix Foaming Oil Cleanser. I got this in my QVC advent calendar. I liked it. I did a whole review on it. I think I would repurchase it, but it is kind of pricey. Like I said, I did a whole review on it. Next is this Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is another sample that I got in my QVC advent calendar. I liked this, but it was very expensive. Again, I have a whole review of this on my channel. That is up because actually today, as I'm filming it, is when it's being uploaded. So go check it out. It is linked down below as well. Next is this Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. I absolutely hated this. I got this in a FabFitFun box. It smells like Windex. Do not buy it. It didn't do anything for my skin. It was terrible. I was literally just getting to the point where I was just using it to use it up. It was so bad. And the last product is this Carrez Guava Body Butter. This again is another product that I got from FabFitFun and I hated it. It doesn't moisturize your skin. It's just so thick and uncomfortable. Another product I was just using to use it up, and I'm so happy it's not in my collection anymore. Do not waste your money on this or the Murad products because they're both very pricey. And that is it for this empties video. Hopefully it is not too long. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.